we are going to take today is historic period. In that, we study about subtopic sports and entertainment. Myself, Shubhangi Dubey from MPS Dharavi, Kalakilla, G North Ward. My HM is Mrs. Mary Pushpam Paul. So now, student, I am going to ask you few questions. Are you ready? Say yes. Are you able to listen me?
Yes.
Students, are you able to listen me?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Yes. So now I am going to ask you few questions. You have to give answers to my questions. Now tell me, in your free time, what you do? What you do in your free time?
Play.
You are playing. Very good. Again, other students reply what you do in your free time.
Ma'am, I watch TV.
Yes, reply again.
I watch TV.
Okay. So, in your free
Drawing,
time,
ma'am.
yes, very good. In your free time, you are playing games, drawing. These activities you have done. So now tell me, with whom you play game? With whom do you play game?
Friends.
Yes, very good. You
Ma'am.
play game. Huh? Very good. You play game with your friends, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, what kind of games do you play?
Sir, ma'am, running,
Okay.
hide and seek,
Hide and seek. Very good.
and then dodgeball and football.
Very good. You
And
play
cricket.
running, cricket, hide and seek, these games with your friends. Okay. Now tell me, what do you see in this picture? Can you see the picture on your screen? Students, can you see picture on your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me, what is the first picture?
The first picture is of an cricketer.
Very good. The first picture is of cricket.
Second, football.
So tell
And
me,
third
do you
of
like
me.
cricket? Do you like cricket?
Yes.
Yes, you like cricket. Very good. How many players are participate in cricket?
11 players. 11 players.
Very good. There are 11 players participate in cricket team.
Cricket.
Now, can you tell me which instrument is required to play cricket?
Bat, ball, stumps.
Ma'am, gloves
Very
too.
gloves too. Very good. So we required bat, ball, stumps, these instruments to play cricket. Can you tell me who is your favorite cricketer?
Sachin Tendulkar.
Sachin Tendulkar. Very good. So, tell me, where do you play cricket?
On the ground.
Yes, we play cricket on the ground. Very good. Now tell me, what do you see in the second picture?
Football.
Ma'am, that they two are playing hockey.
Second picture is of hockey. Okay. So, okay. Do you like hockey?
Yes.
Which things are required to play hockey?
Ma'am, and hockey stick and a ball.
Yes.
Stick
To
and
play
ball.
hockey, we require hockey stick and ball. And where do we play hockey?
On the ground.
The
On
ground.
the ground. We play hockey on the
Ground.
ground. Yes. What is the third picture?
Football.
Football. The third picture is of football.
Football.
Do you like football?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, we like. And which thing is required to play football?
Ma'am,
Ball.
one football.
Football.
Football is necessary to play a game. What was the fourth picture?
Running race.
Running
Running race.
race.
Running race.
So these are the different kinds of games: cricket, hockey, football, running. These are the various kinds of games. So today we are going to study about the sports and entertainments topic from historic period. So as we play these types of different types of games for our entertainment. Why we play this game? For our entertainment or spend our free time, and also for the physical fitness, right?
Yes.
Why we play game? We play games
To
to spend
for physical
fitness. Very good. We play games for our entertainment and for the physical fitness. So very good. Same as we play a different kinds of games like cricket, football, hockey, running. Early man also play different games. Do you know which games
Yes.
are played by
Ma'am,
early man?
Dando.
Very good.
Vitti
Very
Dando.
good. So can you see on screen
Kabaddi.
which is this game? Hunting.
Hunting.
Hunting is the practice of seeking and pursuing and capturing of animals. What is meant by hunting? Hunting is the practice of seeking, pursuing and capturing of animals. Understood, students?
Yes.
Now can you tell me what is meant by hunting?
Yes.
Yes, anyone?
To hunting animals.
Hunting is the practice of
and
seeking,
hunting is the practice of
seeking, pursuing and capturing of
Capturing and
animal.
of animals.
Very good. Early man hunting for the purpose to get food. For what purpose early man do hunting? Early man hunting for the purpose to get food.
Food.
Not only to get food but also to fulfill their needs like making ornaments, weapons, wearing
Ma'am,
clothes.
for their entertainment too, na, because at that time TV was not there.
Very good. Early man doing hunting for their entertainment also. And other purposes are they are doing hunting for the purpose of getting food, making ornaments, making weapons, wearing clothes, collecting leathers. For various purposes, they are doing hunting. Have you understood?
Yes.
Now, can you tell me why do early men do hunting? Yes. Anybody, can you reply me? Why do early men do hunting? Students, are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Huh. So reply my question. Why do early men do hunting?
For eating.
Huh, very good. Again, other students,
For eating.
let me explain you again. Early men do hunting for the purpose to get food and to fulfill their needs like ornament, weapons, wearing clothes, collecting leathers, and for different purposes. Have you understood why do early men do
Use their
hunting?
skin.
Reply again.
To use their skin.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am,
So the yes,
ma'am, they was using that animal skin because that time there was so winter. For a sweater.
yes,
Warm.
to warm their body or to cover their body, they use the skin of dead animals. So that purpose also they are doing hunting. Very good. So early men do hunting for the purpose to get food and to fulfill their other needs also. For example, making ornaments, making weapons, and wearing a
Make their
clothes to protect
entertainment.
their body and for their entertainment purpose also. Very good. And this was a game played by early man. Again, which game is played by early man?
Ma'am, this is the wrestling.
This is the wrestling. So, as we know, wrestling is a physical competition between two competitors or sparring partners who attempt to gain and maintain a superior position between wrestlers. Have you understood?
Yes.
Yes. The wrestling is a physical competition between two competitors or partners. Okay? Early men
Okay.
play games like hunting and wrestling for their entertainment or to spend their free time. Now, can you tell me which games are played by early men? Can you tell me which games are played by early men? Students, are you able to hear me?
Yes.
So, early men play hunting and wrestling games for their entertainment. Okay, have you understood?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Now,
Yes.
see on your screen. What do you see in the first picture?
Snake and ladders.
Very good. This is the picture of snake and
Ladder.
ladders. And what is the picture of second?
Ludo.
Ludo. So, which thing we require to play the Ludo and snake and ladders?
Oh, cube
Cube and
and
board. We
Board.
need a game board, na?
Board
So-
and also and coins that small
Okay. So to
coin.
play snake and ladder and Ludo, we required board. These are the board games. Can you tell me some more board games? The games which we play on board. Can you tell me some another games? Yes.
Vyapar.
Vyapar. Again, give other names. Some more names of board games.
Chess.
Chess. Very good. Chess is also a board game. Which are the board games? Snake and ladder, Ludo, and chess.
Chess.
Chess is the one of the oldest and most popular board game played by two opponents on chessboard.
Yes.
Do you know chess? See, in early Egypt, Sinat game is played which is similar as chess. Okay, we play these games, snake and ladders, Ludo and chess with our friends. As we play these games with our friends, same as early people also play various types of board games.
Yes.
In ancient Egypt, people played a game that was similar to chess. The game was played with the game board and gamesmen. It was known as Senat. In
Carom.
ancient China, also there were many games played with boards and gamesmen. Similar games were popular in Mesopotamia and Harappan civilization too. So in ancient Egypt, people play a game that was as similar as chess, means that was also a board game. They are playing the board game. These games was played with the game board and gamesmen. What things are required to play the game? Game board and gamesmen.
Man.
It was known as Senat. In ancient China, also there were many games played with board and gamesmen. In China also there were the people played various board games and similar games like chess.
Yes.
Games were popular in Mesopotamia and Harappan civilization too. Now tell me, what is this? What do you see on your screen?
Toys.
This is a toys. Can you tell me the names of these toys? What do you see on your screen?
Teddy bear.
Very good. Teddy bear. Again,
Turtle. Mushroom.
turtle.
Ladybird.
Very good.
Dog.
Very
Ball.
good.
Star.
Yes. These are the toys. Which toys do you see on your screen? Teddy bear, dog, turtle, star,
Ball.
balls.
Mushroom. Ladybird. Star. Penguin.
Stars,
Very
tortoise,
good.
fish.
Penguin.
Very good, students. So these are the different toys which we use to play in our free times. Okay. Now, can you see what do you see on your screen?
Harappan toys.
These are the Harappan toys.
Toys.
Can you tell me the names of these toys?
Yes.
Yes, tell. Bullock carts, wheels, animals. There are even tiny clay pots carried in the carts. They may be some of the clay toy carts found at the Mohenjo-daro from the ancient Indus Valley. Harappan toys are made up from material found in nature. How is the Harappan toys made? It is made up from material which is found in nature, like rocks, sticks, clay, and bones. Which things are required to prepare a Harappan toys? Rocks, sticks, clays, and bones. Which thing is required to prepare Harappan toys? Which material is used to prepare Harappan toys? Students, can you hear me? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So, tell me which materials are used to prepare Harappan toys?
Ma'am, rock.
Yes, very good.
Bones.
Bones,
Ma'am, and clay too.
clay. Very good.
Ma'am, and stones.
Stones also.
Ma'am, for that ma'am, that people make cars also.
So, rocks, sticks, clay, and bones was used to prepare Harappan toys. Many toys are found in the excavation of Harappan sites. They include whistles, rattles, bullock carts, animal and birds on wheels.
Ma'am, what is this whistles and rattles?
Let me explain. Many toys are found in the excavation of Harappan site. What is meant by excavation? Excavation is the process of digging, especially when something specific is being removed from the ground. Understood? What is meant by excavation? Excavation is the process of digging, especially when something specific is being removed from the ground. We got Harappan toys in the process of excavation.
Okay.
This is all about games. Other than playing games, what you do for the entertainment purpose?
Music, dance. Ball.
Very good. We listen music, playing different musical instrument. Okay. Can you tell me which musical instrument do you see on your screen?
Ma'am, tabla, harmonium, guitar,
Very good. Very
and
good.
piano.
Very good. Tabla, harmonium, piano, and guitar. These are the musical instruments which are used by us
Ma'am,
that way. In the same way, this type of instrument was made by ancient people. What do you see on the screen? This is halak. What is meant by halak? This is halak. Halak was a very popular instrument in early age.
Ma'am, like
Halak
guitar.
was a very popular. Yes, halak very popular instrument in ancient time, which is used to play music while celebrating festivals. Now, the next picture. What do you see in this picture?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
What do you see on your screen?
Ma'am,
Can you hear
rattles.
me? This is rattles. Very good. And what is this? Can you tell
Floods.
me what do you see on your screen?
Floods.
This is
Floods.
flutes. Flutes. And what is this?
Drums. Drums.
Drums. So, in ancient times, halak, rattles, flutes, and drums, these are the musical instruments used in early age to play music. While celebrating festivals, they use this musical instrument. Which musical instrument used in ancient time? Halak, rattles, flute, and drums. Have you understood?
Yeah. Yes.
Can you tell me which musical instrument was used in ancient time?
Halak.
Very good. Halak, rattles,
Drum.
flutes, and drums. This instrument was
Drum.
used in ancient time to play music. Now see the next slide. What do you see in this slide? This is the picture of pharaohs.
Pharaohs.
This is the picture of pharaohs.
Pharaohs.
The Egyptian king were known as pharaohs. Who is known as pharaohs? The Egyptian king were known as pharaohs. Have you understood?
Yes.
Yes. The Egyptian king were known as pharaohs. On the occasion of certain festivals, the pharaohs himself participate in the celebration and dance. While they are
Yeah.
celebrating any festivals, the Egyptian king means pharaohs himself participate in their celebration and do dance. The bronze image of dancer found in the excavation at Mohenjo-daro. Evidence that dance was important in the Harappan civilization. Have you understood this?
Yes. Yes.
Very good. So, in this way, we have learned about the history of human civilization from Stone Age to early civilization in this standard. Okay?
Yes.
Have you understood this?
Yes.
So, now it's time for your evaluation. I am going to ask you few questions. You have to answer to these questions. Okay, students?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So let's start with our evaluation. Our question number 1 is, what tools do we use for entertainment nowadays? Can you tell me what tools do we use for entertainment nowadays?
Circus.
Are you able to listen me?
Yes.
So tell me,
Circus.
what tools do we use for entertainment nowadays? Which instruments do we use for entertainment? In present situation, at present time, what tools do we use for entertainment or to spend our free time?
Drawing picture. Playing.
Okay, very good. Drawing pictures, playing, dancing,
Watch TV.
watching TV, very good. So these are the different
Reading.
tools we use for our entertainment. We use mobile, TV, video games, right? Very good, students. So my second question is, which games are played in early age?
Hunting. Vitti
Very
dance.
good. Which games are played in early age?
Drums.
Which
Yeah.
games I asked beta? Which games are played in early age? Which games are played by early age people?
Snake and ladder. Chess.
In early age, hunting and wrestling are played. Now, the third question is, name some board games. Can you tell me some board games name?
Yes. Snake
Tell.
ladder. Ludo.
Snake and ladder, Ludo. Again? Very good. Snake and ladder, Ludo, chess, Vyapar. These are some board games. Very good, students. Now, our fourth question is, name some Hadappan toys.
Bullock card.
Very good.
Animals.
Very good. So, bullock carts, animals, birds, whistles, these are the some Harappan toys. Understood, students?
Yes.
Our next question is question number 5. Which material were used to make Harappan toys?
Stones.
Stones.
Rock.
Very good.
Clay.
Very good. So, rocks, sticks, clay, bones, stones, these materials were used to make Hadappan toys. Very good. Our sixth question is, name some musical instrument.
Drums. Piano.
Again,
Drums. Piano. Hanga.
halak.
Halak.
Drums, piano,
Guitar.
harmonium. These are some musical instruments. Our next question is, who is known as pharaohs? Who is known as pharaohs? Can you tell me?
No.
Can you tell me who is known as pharaohs? Egyptian king was known as pharaohs. Very good. Egyptian king is known as pharaohs. Have you understood this?
Yes.
Okay. So now, students, it's time to your homework. Your homework is find out information about musical instrument in Harappan civilization.
Okay.
What is your homework? Find out information about musical instrument in Harappan civilization. Understood your homework?
Yes.
Copy your homework now. I will give you 1 minute to copy your homework.
I screenshot.
Okay. Or you can take screenshot also. Will you complete this homework?
Yes.
Yes, you have to complete this homework. Have you enjoyed lecture?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, students, for attending the
Teaching.
lecture. Stay home.
For
Be
teaching.
safe.
Bye.
Thank you, all of you. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.